What's up, guys? It's your boy Jack here, and today we're diving into the world of making easy money online. We're talking about a brand new website that's going to blow your mind. You can literally earn $1.80 for every Google ad you watch. That's right, you heard me correctly. See every step in this video, I will show you how to earn without investment on this new earning site just by watching Google ads. We're talking about some serious cash here, people. Imagine watching 10 ads and making a cool $18, just like that. And the best part? I'm not just throwing out empty promises. I'm going to walk you through the entire process, step by step, so you can start raking in the dough too. Let's get started, don't miss any step. Alright, let's break this down. This website, called JumpTask, is changing the game. They're connecting people like you and me with companies that need help with simple tasks like watching ads. And get this, they're willing to pay top dollar for it. Think about it. You're already bombarded with ads every day, scrolling through social media, watching YouTube videos. Why not get paid for it, right? With JumpTask, you can actually turn those mindless minutes into cold, hard cash. We're talking $1.80 for a single Google ad. That's more than most minimum wage jobs pay per hour. Imagine watching 10 ads in an hour. You're looking at $18 just for chilling and clicking. But it gets even crazier. Some people are making bank on this site. We're talking $5, $10, even $20 per minute just by grinding and watching those ads. I know what you're thinking. This sounds too good to be true, right? Well, stick with me because I'm about to show you exactly how it works. Now, before you dive in head first, you might be asking yourself a very important question. I know you're probably wondering, is this website legit? Is it worth my time and effort? And trust me, I had the same question when I first heard about JumpTask. That's why I did my research. I wanted to make sure that this wasn't just another scam or a waste of time. First off, JumpTask has already paid out close to $3 million to its users. That's a significant amount of money. That's right, $3 million. It's not just a number, it's a testament to their reliability and commitment to their users. They're not some fly-by-night operation, they're the real deal. They have a professional setup and a dedicated team working behind the scenes. But don't just take my word for it. It's always good to verify things for yourself. Head over to Trustpilot and check out their reviews. Trustpilot is a well-known platform for genuine user reviews. Over 4,000 real users from all over the world have given JumpTask an average rating of 4.7 out of 5 stars. That's an impressive rating. That's some serious street cred right there. It shows that people trust and appreciate the platform. People are raving about how easy it is to use the site, how user-friendly the interface is, and how straightforward the tasks are, how quickly they get paid, with many users reporting that they receive their earnings almost instantly, and how much money they're making. Some users have even shared their success stories, showing significant earnings over time. It's like the perfect side hustle, no experience needed, no special skills required. You can do it from the comfort of your home. Just watch ads and get paid. It's that simple. You can do it while watching TV, during your commute, or even during a break at work. So, yeah, I'd say JumpTask is about as legit as it gets. They have a proven track record, a strong user base, and transparent operations. They're transparent, they pay on time, and they provide a platform that is easy to use and navigate. And they have thousands of happy users. The community is growing, and the feedback is overwhelmingly positive. What more could you ask for? If you're looking for a legitimate way to make some extra cash, JumpTask is definitely worth checking out. Chapter 3. Okay, so you're convinced JumpTask is the real deal and you're ready to start earning. Great. Let me show you how easy it is to sign up. They've got a bunch of different options, so you can choose what works best for you. You can sign up using your Google Gmail account, your Facebook account, or your Apple ID. It's super quick and easy, just a few clicks and you're in. But wait, there's more. If you're into the whole crypto thing, you can even connect your crypto wallet directly to JumpTask. That way you can get paid in your favorite cryptocurrency. How cool is that? Once you've chosen your sign-up method, just follow the on-screen instructions. They'll ask you for some basic information like your name and email address, and then you're good to go. Seriously, the whole sign-up process takes like 2 minutes tops. JumpTask has made it so simple that anyone can do it, even your grandma. Chapter 4. Alright, you're all signed up and ready to start earning. This is where the real excitement begins. You've taken the first step, and now it's time to dive into the world of online tasks that can help you make some extra cash. Here's where the fun begins. Imagine being able to earn money from the comfort of your own home, or anywhere you have an internet connection. It's not just a dream, it's a reality with JumpTask. Once you're logged into your JumpTask account, scroll down the page a bit, and you'll see a section called All Tasks. This is your gateway to a variety of opportunities. This is where the magic happens. The All Tasks section is filled with numerous tasks that are waiting for you to complete. Each task is an opportunity to earn money, and the best part is, they are all simple and easy to do. Click on that section, and you'll be greeted with a whole bunch of different tasks that you can complete to earn money. From watching videos to taking surveys, there's something for everyone. And guess what? Watching Google ads is just the tip of the iceberg. There are so many other tasks that you can do to earn money. The variety is truly impressive. You can find all sorts of simple and easy tasks on JumpTask. Whether you have a few minutes or a few hours, there's always something you can do to earn some extra cash. We're talking about things like taking surveys, completing quizzes, watching videos, and even just browsing websites. Each task is designed to be straightforward and easy to complete. And even just browsing websites, it's like getting paid to surf the internet. Imagine getting rewarded for something you already do every day. It's like getting paid to surf the internet. Each task will show you how much you can earn for completing it, so you can choose the ones that pay the most. It's all about maximizing your earnings. Each task will show you how much you can earn for completing it, so you can choose the ones that pay the most. This way, you can focus on the tasks that offer the highest rewards and make the most of your time. So you can choose the ones that pay the most, and trust me, there are some seriously high-paying tasks on there. You might be surprised at how much you can earn from just a few minutes of work, and trust me, there are some seriously high-paying tasks on there. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the All Tasks section and start exploring. The sooner you start, the sooner you can start earning. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the All Tasks section and start exploring. You'll be amazed at how many different ways there are to make money on JumpTask. It's time to take control of your earning potential. Dive into the All Tasks section and start exploring. You'll be amazed at how many different ways there are to make money on JumpTask. From simple tasks to more involved ones, there's something for everyone. You'll be amazed at how many different ways there are to make money on JumpTask. So, go ahead, explore the possibilities and start earning today. The opportunities are endless, and the rewards are waiting for you. Chapter 5. Alright guys, you know I always like to hook you up with some insider tips and tricks. Today I have something really special for you. This isn't just any ordinary tip, it's a game changer. If you've been looking for a way to significantly boost your earnings on JumpTask, then you're in for a treat. And today is no exception. I'm about to share with you a bonus trick that can potentially 10 times your earnings on JumpTask. Yes, you heard that right, 10 times. Imagine what you could do with that extra income. Pay off debts, save for a vacation, or even invest in something new. The possibilities are endless. Are you ready for this? It's all about location, location, location. You might be wondering, what does location have to do with earning more money online? Well, let me break it down for you. You see, JumpTask sometimes offers different tasks and payouts depending on where you're located. This means that someone in one country might see different opportunities and earnings compared to someone in another country. It's all about market demand and the value of tasks in different regions. And here's the kicker. You can actually trick the system into thinking you're in a different location using a VPN. A VPN, or virtual private network, allows you to change your IP address to make it appear as though you're browsing from a different location. This can open up a whole new world of high-paying tasks that you wouldn't normally have access to. Don't worry, it's totally legal and super easy to do. Many people use VPNs for various reasons, including accessing content that's restricted in their region or protecting their online privacy. In this case, we're using it to maximize our earning potential. First things first, you'll need to install a free VPN extension on your browser or mobile device. There are plenty of options available, so you can choose one that suits your needs. Some popular free VPNs include Proton VPN, Windscribe, and TunnelBear. Just head over to your browser's extension store or your mobile device's app store and search for a VPN. There are tons of great free VPNs out there. Just do a quick Google search and you'll find one that works for you. Make sure to read the reviews and check the ratings to ensure you're getting a reliable and secure VPN. Once you've found one you like, go ahead and install it. Once you've installed the VPN extension, activate it and connect to a server in the United States. This is a crucial step because the United States is known for having some of the highest payouts on JumpTask. By connecting to a US server, you'll be able to access these high-paying tasks and maximize your earnings. Why the United States? Because that's where JumpTask tends to offer the highest payouts. The US market is highly competitive, and companies are willing to pay more for tasks completed by users in this region. By positioning yourself as a US-based user, you'll be able to take advantage of these lucrative opportunities. Now comes the fun part. Create a completely new JumpTask account using your browser, while the VPN is still connected to the US server. This will make it seem like you're a brand new user located in the United States. Make sure to use a different email address than the one you used for your original account to avoid any issues. This will make it seem like you're a brand new user located in the United States. By doing this, you'll be able to access all the high-paying tasks and bonuses that are only available to users in the United States. It's like unlocking a hidden treasure chest of earning opportunities. And that's it. With your new US-based JumpTask account, you'll have access to all the high-paying tasks and bonuses that are only available to users in the United States. This simple trick can significantly boost your earnings and help you reach your financial goals faster. It's like having a secret weapon in the world of online earning, so go ahead, give it a try, and watch your earnings soar. Remember, the key to success is taking action and making the most of the opportunities available to you. Happy earning! So there you have it, guys, the ultimate guide to earning easy money online with JumpTask. We've covered everything from signing up to maximizing your earnings with my secret bonus trick. Now it's your turn to take action. Don't just sit there watching this video. Go out there and start earning some serious cash. Remember, every minute you waste is another minute you could be making money. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more ways to earn money online.